Health benefits of honey and baking soda. Honey and baking soda make a powerful combination when it comes to boosting your health. Those who drink a mixture of the two ingredients daily claim it helps with digestion, fighting infection, healing wounds, and increasing overall energy. In this video, we examine the science behind why the two ingredients combined can offer health benefits. And be sure to watch to the end, where we give you the exact recipe to try it for yourself. Why is honey and baking soda receiving such glowing reviews? The best way to answer this question is to look at the qualities of the two main ingredients. Baking soda, which is also known as bicarbonate of soda, is normally used as a rising agent in baked goods. However, it can also do some very beneficial things inside the human body. Baking soda is an alkaline substance. When it mixes with an acid, it alters the pH level, which is a measure of how acidic something is. This process neutralizes the acidity of a substance, making it far less likely to upset the internal balance of your body. That's why baking soda is so effective in soothing an upset stomach and has the ability to cover bad smells. Taking baking soda to alkalize your body may also prevent a range of illnesses. In fact, a recent study found that baking soda creates an anti-inflammatory environment in the body, and that drinking it daily could reduce the inflammation linked to autoimmune conditions. What's more, medical research has shown that cancers thrive in acidic environments. In fact, acidosis, which means the process of acidification in the body, is now considered a medical marker for the presence of cancer. So you can see why a substance that reverses acidification is grabbing the attention of the medical community. Honey is an organic product that contains a host of natural flavonoids and antioxidants, which have been shown to help reduce the risk of some cancers and heart disease, the two biggest killers. In clinical trials, honey has been shown to reduce ulcers and ease gastrointestinal disorders. It is also antibacterial and antifungal and has been shown to increase athletic performance. So combined, these two ingredients offer a powerhouse of nutrition and disease prevention, which work together to enhance your body's ability to maintain health. How to make the honey and baking soda drink. Simply take half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a tablespoon of honey and mix them into a glass of water. Try to buy organic products that contain no additives whenever possible. This drink can be consumed 2 to 3 times a day. Try it for at least 20 days to notice results. You might be very pleasantly surprised by how you feel. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day!